Hello friends, once again welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. And before I have to start the topic, if you have not subscribed my channel, is my request. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, share with your friends, by which we might get motivation, appreciation for making more better qualities videos on different topics in future. Now come to the report writing. Report is what? Report is written on the basis of past incident, and reports are of two types: general report, a school magazine we say, and second is the news report. Part 1 video which I made for you, in that one I taught about the rules and I gave the format of a report. That I will revise in this one also in brief. And part 2 video I taught you this how to write school magazine report. Now third part I am teaching second part, news report. School magazine general report is basically asked in the school lower classes, and most of the boards in higher classes they ask about the news report. What are the differences are there between both? You can clarify everything by watching my video part 1 of the report writing. Now come to the news report. But before news report I have to start. Just let me revise in brief about the rules which we have to follow whenever you are writing a report. Yeah. First thing, that headlines should be short and catchy. Headline. But in news report now already headline will be given to you. But in general report you have to frame. So here that is not an issue. The byline, place, date and source of the news should be in proper order. They should be at proper place. I'll clarify the layout, and in that one I will explain clearly that where to write and what to write, especially in the byline part. Only essential facts should be included. You have to write only the important point. No need to write any extra thing which is not suitable for that. It is not a essay writing, it is a report writing. So we should not write like an essay. It should not be more than 3 to 4 paragraphs. It's very important. Especially in the board exam, you have very less time. Therefore, no need to waste time, and 3 paragraphs I am saying enough. If you're writing just 1 plus, okay, 4 paragraphs you can write. It should be in the past tense and mostly with passive voice sentences. This one don't forget, past tense. Report should be written in the past tense. And passive voice sentences, they are more better suitable whenever you are writing the report. I'll give you a nice example in the last. Third person pronouns he, she, it, they is used more. Yes. And first person pronoun I should be avoided. Don't write that I was going there, I saw that, this one, no. Better that we have to start with the third person, he, she, it, they. And personal opinion is avoided in the report. Report is based on the facts. Whatever you saw, you have to write. And it should be in a brief. That don't forget. Yeah. Now next, once again I have already in part 1 this part is there. Just in brief let me recapitulate this part, that what to write and where. See the first. In news report headline will be given to you. In board exam 1 mark is fixed on that. So therefore you should be careful whenever you are writing this part. And one style is there, some people write in the all letters in capital. That depend upon especially in what way your teachers might guide you. That here after headline what will you do? Leave 2 lines. 2 lines gap should be here. Then write nearby or touching the margin, write the place. Okay, suppose I am in Mumbai or New Delhi, where we have to write that place, or you can write especially that area's name also or city name, both are okay. But I am writing Mumbai. After Mumbai put comma here, then write date. Okay, suppose today's date is here, I am writing report, so current date will come here. For example I am giving, I am saying 19th May 2020. So you have to write here 19 this way, 9th 19th May, and after May put comma, then 2020. After that, below to next continuous. Yeah, don't keep gap here. Place, date, and below to that write the source of the news. What is here in general report? We write the student report. In news report, you have to write by staff reporter. After that, so two parts are clear: headline, place, date, and source. After writing this one, what will you do? Just you have to start from the next line, the main part, like the letter I taught you, the body of the letter, same way body of the report. Here 3 paragraphs minimum. First intro, already in part 1 you might have seen my video. It is in the best way explained that what, how, all these things. First intro paragraph out where incident happened, which place was that, intro. Second paragraph give information, short containing paragraph. And third paragraph is here, that is the concluding paragraph, last part of what you saw. But don't give your opinion like police will come investigate this one, that one. No, you have to write just whatever the last part you saw there, concluding paragraph. And here minimum I am saying 3 paragraphs are enough. If any student want to write, they can write more, but the first, last, remember one thing, first paragraph minimum 4 lines you have to write. 4, second paragraph 5, and last paragraph 3. Okay, so in the old format it was written there 5, first 5, 5, 6, 4, but I am saying 4, 5, 3 is okay. If you want to write more, do one thing, this second paragraph is there, no, so that information part you can elaborate. So if you are writing 4 paragraph, first and last paragraph that same, second paragraph 5 lines, you can make 2-3 paragraphs, no problem at all. That is possible. It depends upon your capacity whether you can write or not. Okay, so these 5 things keep in your mind. First headline, then place, date, source of the news. And this place, date, source of the news, that is called the byline. In the rules I written the byline, that is these 3 parts are there. Next, report writing minimum 3 paragraphs. First intro, second give information, and last is the concluding paragraph. Now I am giving you the example by which you can understand especially the concept of this topic. Yeah. See, one question is here. Write a newspaper report based on the following headline: 5 killed, 30 injured in building collapse. This is the heading. I see it is written in the capital letter. Now answer. What will you do? First write the headline, whatever is written, 5 killed, 13 injured in building collapse. Okay, what I am saying, it is the format. It is not the real report I am giving to you. Okay, so it is the format for you. Here you have same way in the paper also will get, you have to imagine and write. Here we are writing fact in the report, but you are a student, you have to imagine and write. No need to write the real story, reality, especially real incident. Now see, after writing headline, what will you do? I said earlier, leave 2 lines, left side touching the margin. First write place, like I am saying Colaba, then date write down. One date is here, 27th April 2020, and after that the source of the news, by staff reporter. And remember one thing, whenever you are writing the date, be careful. Here after writing month, put comma, and by staff reporter, all 3 words first letter should be capital. Now see the intro paragraph. 5 people including 2 children were killed and about 30 injured when Apex apartment Raju Nagar in Kurla collapsed on 10th March 2020. You are writing about the incident happened in different area Kurla, but you are reporting from Kolaba to your newspaper service or the channel. And the incident occurred in about 10 p.m. when most of the people were at home. See, the first paragraph is giving information about where incident happened, when happened, and what are the condition all there. Now write second paragraph, you have to give information. BMC officers started relief operation, but they faced too much trouble as the narrow lanes prevented the sight. Many people from neighboring buildings rushed to help the victims. After 2 hours struggle, fire engines managed to reach the spot. The search for the victim buried under the debris started, and those people who escaped the major injuries were being sent to the nearby hospital. Here I gave information about. So when that incident took place, after that what happened, what problem people faced, and how really the government came to help them. So second paragraph, just I gave you information. Now see the last para. Yeah. See in the last paragraph what is written. The officers were trying to find out the real cause of the incident. A senior engineer working in BMC said that the major renovation work was carried out on the ground floor might have weakened the base of the building. Here the last paragraph I am giving the opinion of the person. Don't write your opinion. Here the reporter is not giving opinion. Whatever the officer said. So this is the concluding paragraph here. So I said earlier, report writing is totally here. The news report is like the newspapers, whatever the article tell you get. Whatever happened yesterday that you can read in today's newspaper. Same thing is here. Okay, but here it is not the real report of the newspaper. Here you are a student, and here the format is here, and this type questions will be given to you, and you have to think, imagine, and write. So I think both reports doubts are clear to you. So if you have not really watched my video part 1 part 2, you have to first watch that. You will understand the basic concept, then this part will also be clear to you. So thanks for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share with your friends. Thank you.